Hey guys, what's going on? ConfermentRM here, back with another 2-minute technicals video looking at BTC. And at the moment, we were talking about yesterday's price movement, into today, and you can see that we were going to be coming down, breaking through. That was kind of our assumption based off of the price action we had. And as you can see too, we broke through our target, pretty much $26,700, pretty much on the dot. It's exactly what we were expecting. So we have technically set a new low that we haven't seen since March 27th. So it's been over 2 months, pretty much since last time we've seen these levels. So at this point, I'm going to be looking to see if we're going to hold $26,614. But as you can see, we're starting to break from our trend here. A little early because we were expecting by Saturday or Sunday. But you guys remember, it doesn't always happen to an exact T. But now we're getting that movement down the downside. We were talking about hitting around the $25,000 price level soon. Like we were expecting that because that was going to be more of a bullish signal for us to retrace and reaccumulate back down here around the 25K region. So what we're going to expect is to see us get a nice plunge to the downside, and then we'll see how we meander sideways after that. But nonetheless, that is what we were expecting. So you guys shouldn't be surprised. You shouldn't be screaming at the top of your lungs or anything like that, because if you've been on watching the channel for the past week, I've been preaching it. You guys know I've only been doing my Bitcoin videos, and lo and behold, right there is our first kind of moving average support. At the same time is looking there around 26,234, and then this one's creeping itself upwards, but around $743. So I'd expect if we came down to this region, we would hold here a little bit, and then a sharp tree trace down of that 200-day moving average, and then kind of wick ourselves back up into the above $25,000. Is there the possibility of hitting around that region of 24,119? Yes, but my stipulation I would like to see would be more so of it holding the 25,345 as kind of a support, but getting that wick down there to around the 200-day moving average, and then meandering sideways. Because we want to, if we could just turn, like I was saying before, this as support, because it's just a reconfirmation, right? Then we'll be seeing the next Bitcoin bull run based off of that indicator. It's always sell in May, go away, and then when in September, it's to remember, and that's when we are going to be seeing. We're going to be reaccumulating throughout the summer months, I would imagine, just kind of meandering that sideways until later in August, and we start get our move upwards, and then we'll eventually see how Bitcoin plays out for the rest of the year in the upwards of the $30,000 to $35,000 to $45,000 region. But this is what my thought is, and just keep your eyes peeled for the rest of the week. Tomorrow's Friday, everybody, as you all know. But we can also get ourselves a little bit here under the 4 hour. You can see that for it to hold its region, it would have to stay above 26,794 and get through 27,157 to really get its way up to around 27,875. But obviously that's going to be a shot in the dark. If we go here to the hourly, you can kind of see where the next initial pop will be. Should be on this side, and this side you're going to be only looking at, like, what would this be, by 10 o'clock in the morning, seeing maybe from this point around a 2% gain, perhaps. But that comes up to a bottom of this green line, this trend line, and it'll most likely be rejected from the 382 and come right back. But hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. I appreciate every single one of you. And remember, it's not financial advice. Just my thoughts and my speculation. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.